Okay, so let's start creating some sitemaps for the UI of the bookshelf website. Sitemaps are just to show the elements that can possibly enter the website, so to be easier creating the UI. At this stage, we are not doing much of design, just using simple shapes to determine the positions and a little feel and look of how the design will be like. So I have my home screen, and this is the header bar, which contains the search and add to cart with the logo. So let's design some hero page, and then hero page, not so much here, just some couple of text. Then I'll display a very big image of a book. Then move down to the featured page. This is where the books are going to be shown. I'm making them 3 in a row. Every card is containing an image of the book, that is the book cover, a title, then a button to help you add that book to the cards. Very easy as that. And now let's do it more. So when you scroll this, you're going to see that there are more, and I'm not focusing on the footer for now, so let's just hop onto the cards. When you add a book to the cards, you're going to see the header, of course, with the same logo and some of the menu, but you're not going to deal with the button of add to cart again because we are showing the cards for now. Then we show the image of the book with title and a button. This time it is order or checkout. So at the order or checkout page, when you click, they show you the book that you click and some input. So let's design the input first. You just input your address and the payment method, whether credit card or mobile money. Then this is the image for the book to be displayed, just the book cover. Then afterwards you click on order. Simple. So this is the rough and messy sketch of the UI. The next time we are hopping into Figma, then we are creating the UI for real. Thanks for watching. See you next time.